Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So our beloved people, Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is a country name. People from Bangladesh, they call them Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi. You are from Sudan, right?
Yeah.
They call you?
Sudanese.
Sudanese is like
For people.
plural.
Yeah,
for
for
so many
plural.
people,
Okay.
right? For
For
one
one
person,
person,
Sudani.
Yeah.
So Bangladesh, for so many people, Bangladeshi. Someone, if I'm from Bangladesh, Bangladeshi, okay? And they speak Bengali.
Bengali.
Yeah, their language is Bengali. And most of the people from Bangladesh, they are Muslim, like 90%, I think.
90%.
They are Muslim, and their chief minister is Sheikh Husseina. So, assalamu alaikum once again, and welcome back. This is your African voice, myself Gabs Gabi from South Sudan. Yeah, welcome.
Naik Muhammad from Sudan.
Yeah.
Yasmin Hizad from Sudan.
Yeah.
Muhammad Abdul Aziz from Sudan.
Yeah. Three of them guys, they are Sudanese. So they speak Arabic and their religion is Islam. And me only Christian, but we are all brother. We are also from same country like Sudan. We were all Sudan at first, guys, but we separated from Sudan. We became South Sudan due to other political stuff. So, but we are still both in Sudan and South Sudan. You can find Muslim and Christian. Both countries you will find people. People are still living together like nothing. And so we are going to check the beautiful Bangladesh drone view, guys. We are reacting from right vlog, guys. This guy really give nice video, so we are checking out. Don't forget, we are requesting everyone.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe, guys. Share this video. Basically,
Very important.
we are doing reaction video always to Bangladesh people and to Indian people. So if you are watching from Bangladesh, make sure to subscribe. You will get your videos. And let's go. Just the view of the place, the city. This is the city. This is what they have, and this is how their place look like. Yeah, like India also. See, they have rice. Same land. They also have a lot of agriculture. They plant. This is all rice. The roots, rice.
Good place.
It's good. This place is good for breakfast.
See, also they have a lot of rivers and
This is
sea.
beach.
Yeah, nice beach, right? This place look like mall. It's not mall. It's looking like that, like railway station. Wow, this is the main view now. This is like the ball view. I don't know what is inside there, but it look nice. Yeah, inside it should be all this business place right here. Right?
No, it's not.
What thing? Is it a masjid, guys? It's looking like masjid. Masjid. Mosque. It's looking like mosque.
No. You know Muslim.
That is not
Now
masjid.
you call it Muslim. Call it Muslim.
Yeah, it's the same. Muslim people, they know.
I know some.
Yeah. Every Muslim person, they also speak. They say masjid. Quran also, they Arabic also. They read Arabic. Quran. It's Arabic.
Yeah.
Yeah. all the world is
You
in
can't
Arabic.
pray by English or
Yeah,
any
it is
language, only Arabic.
everywhere in the world. See, they have metro also. They have metro and see their road, man.
It's a view, man.
So nice.
So nice. Yeah, so clear.
Yeah, so clean and amazing. So big also.
Yeah.
They also like more transportation also with sea like that with the boat. Asia في Asia they who مدينة أكتر يعني مشهورة في الترانسبورتيشن بالبوت كده. لأنه مريبة كتير وكده. I have a lot of river. Look like Delhi, yes.
Deal by deal.
Yeah, Delhi, great Noida also. Come, say hi. Come in the video, say hi. Join.
Join us.
Hey guys, how are you?
Yeah, this is
What's up?
yeah, this
What's
is
you?
Mohammadin. We are reacting to Bangladesh people.
Yes, today we come
Yeah.
to new address.
Yeah, wait, huh? actually, guys, come.
Yes,
Actually, today they came from. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, right? They came from Salah. They came from Salah. Yeah, how was this Salah?
yes, Sarah is good, man.
Yeah.
You feeling comfortable?
Yeah. What? Fire, surah.
Yeah, there is.
Tell them something. They will understand. They are Muslim people also.
Bangladesh, so there is many Muslims.
Yeah,
What
so
is
much
they are
better.
Muslim?
We have friends also in Poli from Bangladesh. I like them.
Yeah, they are more Muslim people only. They just came from Masjid, guys, because today is Friday actually. So they came from Salah. Let's continue, guys. Let's see.
Whether تقول له تريكم
ماشي كده؟
بس ولا يعني
The city, the night view. MashaAllah, good MashaAllah. MashaAllah, good. Say MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Yeah, they play cricket also. Their country is just similar like India, same thing. This place is nice. India play cricket. They also play cricket. مش؟ So that was all the. This is the city. They were showing the city, right? Yeah. It is looking
The big
nice.
city of Bangladesh or what?
No, Dhaka.
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 Yeah.
This is the core.
Oh yeah, I don't know. It's not written there. They just wrote Bangladesh. So we don't know specifically is it Dhaka, right, or which city
Maybe
is
it's
it?
belong for all the country.
Maybe yeah,
For all the
for
country.
the country, yeah, right?
The most beautiful place in the country.
Yeah,
The-
exactly.
Yeah,
Just
is that?
yeah, just let us know because we don't know is it one city or maybe the country in general, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, everything look nice.
It's look nice areas.
And we just came to know that they have nice biggest stadium. This the cricket stadium is so big, nice, and they also have metro.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have
The roads
metro.
is very clear.
Yeah, they
Everything
have-
is nice, man.
All is clear.
They have nice road, everything is nice, and they it's just like kind of a developing country now, and everything is going well with him, right? So thank you so much. Let us know more, guys. You
Like,
can tell us
subscribe,
more.
guys.
Yeah, don't forget, very important.
Support us.
Support the
Doing
channel.
more video,
Subscribe.
guys.
Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Yalla. Assalamu alaikum.